You don't need to spend money and time learning things. You just need to spend time and money on the right things. There's plenty of information out there. You've only got to look at the whole new industry around big data analysis. But when you're in a situation and you have a problem and you need to learn something, or you think you need to learn something, the challenge lies in when you're emotionally attached. You know what you don't want, the pain of where it is you are now, but sometimes you don't know what you need to get from point A to point B. You just need to find the right resource for you, and sometimes that's really hard. The easiest way to find a resource that works for you is to follow someone whose message you resonate with, not who somebody tells you you need to talk to, but somebody whose message you personally resonate with. Try watching their YouTube clips, read some of their books, listen to their podcasts. It doesn't matter. You just need to find a person or a resource that resonates just for you. So today, if my message resonates for you, I'd love to help you out or simply just connect. Sign up to my regular productivity insights at the 3Ws, donnahanson.com.au.